welcome back to my channel Beauties from this side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about my new cordless hair straightener. Oh my god, it sounds too good, and it is. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. Beauties, few days back I ordered one cordless hair straightener. As you guys know, I just love collecting hair straighteners, but I don't have any cordless hair straightener yet, so I was just like, okay, let's get this one. So I ordered few days back, and yesterday I got my parcel from Amazon. Yay, I'm so happy after receiving this. So this is my cordless hair straightener. And guys, you won't believe it works like amazingly. I used it yesterday night and I was just like, oh my goodness, I should show this to my beauties. And today I'm going to do everything, a total honest review to you guys, from where you can buy it, how it works, and is this useful or not, and every single thing. Basically, this cordless hair straightener is a very travel friendly thing because I travel a lot. So I was just like, I can't carry that proper hair straightener with that wire and that heavy bulgy kind of thing. So I was just like, I need a small pocket friendly kind of hair straightener. So that's why I ordered this one. So let me show you first. So it came in like this, packaging is like this. So this is lifelong hair straightener. I bought it after searching for a lot. I found this one. This is the cordless hair straightener, and I was just like, okay, let me order this. So this is the packaging. Okay, so you got one wire for the charging like this. This is the cable or wire or whatever you call it, like this. Then this is our cute mini small hair straightener. You can see how cute it is. Seriously, it is so cute. This is so travel friendly, and this is like, oh my goodness, this is like this. Let me show you guys. Okay. So, user manual from lifelong cordless rechargeable hair straightener. You can see it is written here. Lifelong cordless rechargeable hair straightener, and everything is written in this manual, how to use it and everything. First of all, let me show you the product. As I shown you, it is like this. You can charge it with your normal phone charger also. If you're using an Android phone, you can use this one. You can charge your charger with it. So that is the most beneficial thing I found in this, because I have an Android phone, so I can easily charge it with my phone charger. So friends, first of all, I think let me tell you about each and every single detail, how to use it, about the manual of this cutie pie of this hair straightener. So first of all guys, there are two buttons. This one is for unlocking and this one is for locking. Firstly, you have to push this one to unlock the hair straightener like this. And before using it, let me tell you, you have to charge it for 4 to 5 hours. After that, you can use it like without any cord. You can just have to open this, you have to just start it, and you have to use it. But before using like this, you have to charge it for 4 to 5 hours. After that, you can use it. So I already charged it for 5 hours. I have to long press this one like this. You can see the charging is here, like 50%, 75%, and then 100%. And my charger, my hair straightener, is already charged 100% because I have charged it. You can see this one is for starting the hair straightener. And now guys, for setting the temperature guys, you have to press this one, the long press you have to do. Like it is now 185 degrees Celsius, then now it is 205 degrees Celsius. Now I'm putting it like this and I'm going to let it heat. So friends, now I'm going to give you a demo of this hair straightener. So firstly, as I said, I just unlocked this hair straightener. Now what I'm going to do, let me show you. Firstly, you have to press this, a long press. You can see 205 degrees Celsius. Now I'm putting it like this for just 5 minutes, and as I said, it heats up like this. In just 5 minutes, it is ready to use. So I'm putting it like this for just 5 minutes. Until then, I'm just untangling my hair. So now friends, it is ready to use. As you can see, I'm having like wavy hair this side. So now let me show you how it works. Oh my goodness, this is too much, seriously. Wavy. Amazing. Wavy. I am so impressed. Doesn't matter beauties, I know you all were just thinking that I have a straight hair and that's why. No, if you're having curly hair, if you're having baby hair, doesn't matter, it straightens up your hair like this. Trust me, it straightens up your hair like I just straightened my all hair with this hair straightener and it made my hair very silky, soft. It is not like that straightener which made your hair frizzy, rough. Seriously, it made my hair so soft. It is like a normal hair straightener, but it is cordless. The only thing is that it is cordless. Otherwise, it works like a normal, amazing hair straightener. Trust me, and I'm so happy with the result. Woohoo! My hair is looking so good. Trust me, it made my hair very soft and straight, like wavy. I'm so happy with the result. Beauties, can you see this? Oh my goodness, this is because of this hair straightener. It made my hair like wavy. Seriously, it made my hair so straight and silky. You can see, like this is super duper straight. I think it is better than a normal hair straightener, I must say. So beauties, now let me tell you from where I bought it and what is the price and every single thing. The price of this lifelong hair straightener is rupees 1499, 1499 rupees it costs. And you can easily buy it from Amazon. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box, so you can just go and check my description box. Otherwise beauties, this product is amazing, a wow product. Trust me, I'm giving an honest review to you guys. Like if you travel a lot like I do, if you're going for a trip, if you're going for a tour, and even if you're going for a job, what you have to do, just charge it one night before, then next day it is ready to use. You can use it like in bus, in your car, you can use it anywhere. You just have to start it, then start your hair straightening process, then put it in your bag and you are ready to go. Now this is the best thing, this is the main reason why I bought this cordless hair straightener. This is very friendly because I just love straight hair. If you have already used any cordless hair straightener, or if you want to use any cordless hair straightener, you can just share your experience with us in my comment section. Just comment it in the comment section, or if you have any queries related to this, you can just comment it. So please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested videos, just comment it in the comment section. Please do follow me on Instagram. Please give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.